I'm so tired of the chirping. We've been in our house like 9 years now, and I swear I always have to deal with smoke detectors that chirp. So I'll try switching the batteries, and then I don't know about you, but they always, inevitably, they go off, and then everybody in the house is panicking and freaking out because it's loud. So that's annoying. And so when I went to Costco the other day, I found this double pack of smoke alarms that says it has a 10-year battery life, so no battery replacements for the life of the alarms. Then it also says that there's no chirps for the life of the alarms, which is very appealing to me. So I'm going to try installing these things, and I'll take you through the process and let you know what I think. All right, here's this double pack. Looks pretty cool. Says it does carbon monoxide as well, which is good. 10-year warranty, no battery replacements, no chirps. I'll take it. All right, let's go through the steps and get this installed. So I'm a little crazy and I like to read the user's manual before I do anything, so I can at least just get an overview of the process and make sure I'm not missing any steps. And I'll just show this to you so you can pause on it and review it too. I want to be clear, this is a battery only option, not a hardwired option. If you click the link here or in the description, you can go watch my other video that shows how to install the hardwired version. In the video, I explain the reasons why you may want a hardwired option versus this one, which is, again, the battery only. So this is the old one. I'm just going to unscrew those screws there and pull that off. And then I'll just swap it out with this one. Thinking we can just put it in there with the same screws. This is obsolete. We'll just tuck that up in there. We won't need it because it doesn't plug in. I'm just going to go bring them out just enough that I can twist it and take it off. Had to kind of pull it down a little. Now you can pull the old one off. Okay, I was wrong. The screw holes don't line up. As you can see, those are just in the box. We don't even really need the box. We could put this anywhere we want. But may as well cover it up. So I'm just going to get the drill and I'll put another hole there and we can put the screw in so it matches. And looks like I might need an anchor as well. It's a 3/16 drill bit. It actually came with 2 little anchors and 2 little screws, so I'm going to use those. And they give you 1 for each, since there's 2 in the package. I'm just going to use one of these existing screws, since it has built-in anchor there. Then I marked it across to the letter B there, that hole. I'll drill it and then install the anchor. Easy enough to just shove in. I just went ahead and backed this one out. Now I'm going to put this one in. You want to leave it sticking down a little bit. Now I just put it on and I twisted it. You can see screws are in there, so now I'm going to tighten them up a little bit so that is flush against the ceiling. Pretty sweet that I was able to use that other screw that's already anchored. Now it feels pretty good. It's flush on the ceiling. Now we want to pull out this yellow thing, and then we'll go ahead and just put this up on the ceiling. It's also a good idea to fill this out. I forgot to do that, so I'm going to do it right now so we know when we installed it. So I installed it on March 30th of 24, and it needs to be replaced on March 30th in 2034. That's crazy. 10 years. So I'm lining it up right there. And then just twist. Ooh. Of course, it has to be loud, and it startled me. So that tells you when you twist and it makes that sound, it's been activated. So even though I knew it was supposed to do it, still got me because it's loud. Now you want to test it. All right, it's working. To get it to silence, I just had to hold it for a few seconds. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you need help or have questions.